Welcome. If you're looking to clear out your WhatsApp channel description and keep things fresh, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps for deleting your channel description on WhatsApp. Whether you want to remove outdated info or just prefer a blank slate, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once the app is open, look for the Updates tab at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device. Tap on Updates to access your channels and statuses. In the Updates tab, find your channel. It should be listed among your recent updates. Tap on your channel to open it. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen and you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on those 3 dots to open the channel options. From the menu, select Channel Info. This will take you to your channel's details page, where you can view and edit your channel information. Here, you'll see the description field, which contains the current description of your channel. Tap on the description field. Your existing description will appear, ready for editing. To delete it, simply erase all the text in the field. You can do this by holding down and selecting all the text, then hitting the delete or backspace key until the field is empty. Once the description is cleared, look for the OK button, usually found below the text field or in the top right. Tap OK to save your changes. Your channel description is now deleted, and anyone viewing your channel will see a blank description. That's all it takes. You've successfully removed your WhatsApp channel description. If you ever want to add a new description, just follow these same steps and type in your new text. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more WhatsApp tips and updates.